Hello, this is Connor Rapp, and welcome to this month's episode of Talking About Tolkien. Today's episode is called The Tunes of the Mountains. It will be revolving around songs in Tolkien's novel The Hobbit. First off, let's start by comparing two different races by one of their respective songs, the Dwarves and the Goblins. The first two verses of the Dwarf song goes as follows. Chip the glasses and crack the plates, blunt the knives and bend the forks, that's what Bilbo Baggins hates. Smash the bottles and burn the corks. Cut the cloth and tread on the fat, pour the milk on the pantry floor, leave the bones on every mat, splash the wine on every door. This song is sung at Bilbo's first encounter with the dwarves after their meal on page 16. The first two verses of the Goblin song goes like this. Clap, snap, the black crack. Grib, grab, pinch, nab, and down, down to Goblin Town you go, my lad. Swish, smack, whip, crack, batter and beat, yammer and bleat. Work, work, not dare to shirk, while goblins quaff and goblins laugh. Round and round, far underground, below, my lad. This song is sung when Bilbo and the dwarves are captured by the goblins. These two songs are indirectly very similar. Both of them include heavy impact words such as crack and smash. However, the dwarves use these words in a mocking, teasing manner as to tease Bilbo, as the goblins use them in a serious manner as to torture and torment their slaves. The song portrays that unlike the dwarves, the goblins are evil and cruel and use others to do their work for them. Even their positive traits, such as their intelligence and their skills, are devoted to wickedness. This is seen when they sing, Work, work, not dare to shirk, while goblins quaff and goblins laugh. However, their complete cruelty shows to be the exact opposite of the elves. The elves, the wisest and the oldest race, are known to be cheerful, graceful, and elegant. As Bilbo's party approaches Rivendell, they are greeted by the elf song. Oh, what are you doing and where are you going? Your ponies need shoeing, the river is flowing, oh tra-la-la-lally, here down in the valley. Oh, what are you seeking, and where are you making? The faggots are reeking, the bannocks are baking, oh trilly-lolly, the valley is jolly. The song is ended with laughter, obviously portraying their pleasure in their lives and their singing. The Goblin song also cuts off with laughter, but not in a jolly manner as the elves do. The goblins' laughter portrays the enjoyment of seeing their slaves and enemies suffer through their endless work, which ultimately leads to death. The lines, and where are you going, your ponies need shoeing, show how different the elves are in contrast to the goblins. The goblins would never offer anyone for help, nor less be kind to anyone other than themselves. However, one creature is darker than the goblins, Gollum, a miserable, wicked creature. When Bilbo encounters Gollum deep under the mountains, he is set the task to answer Gollum's riddles or die. Gollum's first riddle goes as so. What has roots as nobody sees, is taller than trees, up it goes, though never it grows. This riddle has an obvious relevance to Gollum, as he lives in the mountain. However, it really shows the mystery and power of the mountains. Taller than trees, up it goes. When Gollum says, what has roots as nobody sees, he has a boastful tone in which he wants to portray to Bilbo that he lives so isolated from others that he knows what no one else knows. He is the knower of secrets. His home is even lower than the tunnels of the goblins, at the roots of the mountains. As the first two lines put emphasis on his knowledge and secrets, the last line hints of his suffering. Though never it grows. Although alive, the mountains never move. They never grow. They are still. Just like Gollum is trapped in the mountains after being driven there by the goblins after they conquered the mountains. The riddle is like the story of Gollum's history. Gollum's second riddle goes as follows. Voiceless it cries, wingless it flutters, toothless it bites, mouthless it mutters. Gollum emphasizes about what the wind doesn't have. It lacks a voice. It lacks wings. It lacks teeth. The riddle is just like a paradox. The wind owns none of these things, yet it performs such actions. The wind is described as nobody, yet it cries, it flutters, it bites, and it mutters, just like Gollum himself. Ultimately, the aim of this lecture was to inform you of the power that songs and poems hold. Songs are a different type of speech. They are a way of communicating in another sense. Songs portray many things: personality, emotions, and most of all, beauty and mystery. In my next lecture, we will be discussing Bilbo's journey and his evolvement throughout his skin-crawling adventure. See you next time at Godspeed.